guys, good evening. How you guys doing? Happy weekend to you guys. I hope you guys are doing well. This is Daisy's Empire, guys. I just want to do this in a short video. I made a post about Ebuka Obi's picture and Akuzion's picture, and so many rats and cockroaches were crying at the comment section, especially one old woman, okay? But I took out my time, even my admin, if I reply, the next one admin will take over to answer all her useless comments. Okay, let me make this clear here. If you think I have any problem with you personally, or you have problem with me, bring it on. Come out on social media. Another thing is this. I say it every day on social media. I am a very clean woman, the most cleanest being that has ever existed in Nigeria before traveling abroad. If you have any information about me that you need to bring us on social media about, bring it. Bring it. Bring out your face. And I'm not talking about comment section or forging charts, making video, cloning anything. Bring out whoever you think that is somebody's husband I dated, or a boyfriend in Port Harcourt or anywhere in Nigeria that I dated. Bring it and use it to run me down. I don't want saga talk. I don't want saga accusations. I don't want anything that does not exist and somebody will come and sit down. That's not what I'm saying. Bring facts and evidences. And you people's harsh comments or attacks is not going to stop me. I'm a Christian. I say it every day. I'm Watoro Jesus. Ambassador of Jesus. That is what is called in Igbo language. Watoro Jesus. And get it right. I love Ebuka Obi. The love did not start now. I was in Zion Ministry in August live. Okay? I went to Zion Ministry. The only reason why I did not see Ebuka Obi, like discuss with him one-on-one, was because that was the last day of their 100 days anniversary, 100 days fasting and prayer. That particular day that the US people donated over 8 billion naira to them. So the crowd was much. They were so busy from morning till around 5 p.m. They didn't even finish the program, so I had to go. I was there live with JPAC, Obitex, Governor Ezioku, and some other friends. Okay, so seeing Ebuka Obi is not a big deal. There are so many ways to see Ebuka Obi, especially like that guy, this man that came and said he has charms, he can chain people, he can tie people. He knows, he must have been there severally, and he discovered the easiest way to see Ebuka Obi, and he followed that way. See, let me tell you, church, you guys shouldn't be expecting churches to be operating how you want them to operate. If you're not a Christian, focus on what you want to worship. You can't be an Omenala person and be telling churches how to coordinate their programs. You know it's not going to work. And it will never work. It has never worked. For you to get to give testimony in Zion Ministry, their method is this. Somebody like me, JPAC, also wrote out his testimony. He would have given opportunity that day that I went there with him, with all of us that went with him, to come out on camera and say one or two things. But we did not wait till the end of the program. You need to meet, there is a department that is in charge of that. You go to them, explain what you want to talk about, because they don't just give you microphone to come and start saying things that are not scrutinized. You explain to them the kind of testimony you want. If it's something that is not really that important, you will not be allowed to give in that time to waste. Okay? They would interview you, know where you're coming from, know the kind of testimony you want to give, write it down, write your name down, then write your address and everything down before they give you mic to talk. It's not as if the guy just went to Zion that day and he got opportunity to talk. He has gone through this process and discovered the easiest way to go there, cooked up his stories, and came to tell the story. I don't believe that guy's story. Okay, but that doesn't make Ebuka Obi a bad person or somebody that arranged with the guy to come and tell that thing. After all, that guy has been in so many churches. Did all those pastors arrange with him to come and talk the things they said? Why is Ebuka Obi zone, Zion Ministry zone, everywhere on social media? Especially among Ndi Igbo. What is wrong with us as Igbo people? Can you name this thing? What is it that we want as a people, Ndi Igbo? We're not begging you people not to stop. You see that post I made with Ebuka Obi's picture and Ako Zion's picture. If you know you are very strong and stubborn, carry their pictures, make posts on Facebook, label them what they are not. Now I've seen a poster of one guy, that Igbo guy in Abuja. Okay? Accusing Ebuka Obi to be a scam. and he's an arranging master. All of you are clapping for him now. When he starts now, you start reminding Ebuka Obi that he's a pastor. Jesus was abused, did not do anything. Now that he's insulting, bullying Ebuka Obi with his picture, none of you is going to caution him to stop. None of you is doing the right thing now. You are encouraging cyberbullying, character assassination. You are encouraging it. The moment it happens now, boy, police is involved. He's charged to court. All of you on social media will come and start talking. Is he not a preacher of Christ? Christ was bullied. What did Christ do? Ebuka Obi is not Jesus Christ, too. And he can never be Jesus Christ. None of us as Christ's ambassador are Jesus Christ. And Jesus, when he existed on earth, respected the laws that were governing the land. He never disobeyed nor broke any of those laws. So you don't expect you breaking the laws of the land you live in Nigeria, and you expect us to apply spirituality in dealing with you. This is where I'm going to end this video. You guys should continue encouraging cyberbullying, but whoever that is arrested, detained, these few months or weeks coming, none of you should come out to cry. Keep on clapping for them. But let me just inform you people ahead of time, but because who carry most of you, we will see the end of these things. We are going to see to the end of this thing. Okay? And I want to, encourage the Zion team of lawyers to do the needful. Do what is obtainable by law. Nigeria has constitution. Nigeria has laws that govern the country. Let them do the needful. Let the legal team do the needful, what they are supposed to do. If people now attack Zion ministry spiritually, you guys should now solve it. Ebuka Obi will solve it spiritually. But since they are attacking them, breaking the law of the land, they should follow them by the law and let this rubbish stop. Even if it does not stop, if you think you are strong, continue from where your daddy Gio and this guy in Abuja stopped. Continue from there. But one thing I have to inform you is that majority of you are going to be picked up, arrested. That's what I mean, by the law, not illegally. So you go and defend all the accusations they are labeling on somebody on social media. You guys can't continue tarnishing people's images and you think it's normal. It's not done anywhere in the world. Even abroad here where I live, you cannot carry somebody's poster and enter the street and be calling the person a scam or RNG person. It's not done here. If anybody does that with my picture here, I will sue the person to court and the person will pay through his nose. That is why abroad is well organized, because the laws here function. So you can't continue disobeying the laws in Nigeria and you expect Nigeria to be like America. It's not done. Cyberbullying is a crime. Character assassination is a crime. And we should put an end to it. This is Daisy's Empire, guys. Please share this video. I love you guys. Bye-bye.